Lesson 12. Teeth, beaks and claws. You must have noticed that different animals eat different kinds of food. The kind of food an animal eats depends on its mouth parts and the kind of teeth it has. Herbivores or plant-eating animals have sharp and broad front teeth to bite the plant. They have broad, flat back teeth to chew the food. They lack canines and have a gap between the front and back teeth. Tusks of an elephant are the incisors on the upper jaw. Squirrels, rats and rabbits have very sharp incisors to bite into nuts and fruits. Carnivores or flesh-eating animals have well-developed and pointed canines to tear the flesh and very strong grinding teeth to chew bones and flesh. Teeth of snakes are curved backwards into their throat. They do not use their teeth to chew food. They swallow the prey whole. Frogs and lizards do not have teeth. They use their sticky tongue to catch flies and mosquitoes. Omnivores or animals that eat both plants and flesh, like bears and humans, have all their teeth well developed. You must have seen birds flying in the air, sitting on the trees, etc. A bird's beak and feet can tell us much about the kind of food they eat in their habitat. Birds do not have teeth. They use their beaks to eat food. They also use their beaks to smoothen their feathers and to carry materials to build their nests. Pigeons and sparrows have strong, hard, and pointed beaks to pick and crush seeds and grains. Parrots and parakeets have curved beaks to crack open nuts and seeds. Sunbird and hoop have long, thin, and pointed beaks. Sunbird uses its beak to suck nectar from flowers. Hoopoes use its beaks to pull out insects. Swallows have broad and short beaks, which are sticky from inside. Woodpeckers have strong and chisel-shaped beaks to make holes in the bark and to pull out insects to eat. Eagles and kites have strong, sharp, and curved beaks to tear flesh. Cranes and kingfishers have broad, long, and pointed beaks to catch fish from rivers. Ducks have broad and flat beaks with holes in the margin of the beak that drains out mud and water. Feet and claws of birds enable them to walk and catch food. Birds have 2 to 4 toes on each foot that they use for grasping, perching, and scratching. Perchers like crows and sparrows have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back, enabling them to firmly hold the branch of a tree. Climbers like parrots and parakeets have 2 toes pointing upwards and 2 toes pointing downwards, enabling them to climb trees. Predators like eagles and vultures have sharp, curved claws called talons to grip and carry small animals. Scratchers like hens and cocks have strong legs with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back, enabling them to scratch the ground to dig out insects and seeds below the ground. Swimmers like ducks and swans have front toes joined by webs of skin between them, enabling them to push water backwards like oars of a boat. Waders like herons and cranes have long legs with toes that are spread wide, enabling them to wade through muddy water without their feet sinking in the mud.